Hi, I am Dominik Horvat from WooMobile App Hungary. We have created a native mobile application providing a new intuitive way for customers of any WooCommerce-based WordPress webshops. In this video, I am going to show you all the main features of the application using an iPhone simulator and the demo version of WooCommerce. The application is depending on a specific WordPress WooCommerce plugin created by our team. After opening the application, you can see the categories on the top and all the featured products below. If you do not have a customer profile for the webshop, there is a simple area where you can submit your registration. If you have created a customer profile before on the website, you can log in the app with that login data as well. This hoodie seems pretty awesome. This is the product information page. Each product page shows a gallery of the image, a not to favorites shortcut, and all the product details like its price, available quantity, and item description. Let's pick this hoodie by Add to Cart button. Let's pick a t-shirt that matches my dad's hoodie. Now this t-shirt is a variable product. I pick green from the selection. After I selected this green variable, the product gallery refreshes, including its customized item description and price as well. I'm done with the picking, I want to finish my shopping. Click the cart icon on the upper right corner to see your actual cart items. Everything seems fine, proceed to checkout. On the checkout screen everything is the same like on the website-based purchase. Right now the shipping is free, but I can choose among several payment gateways. At this time I'm going to choose cash on delivery. If your webshop is using coupon codes as well, you can use them in here. Finally, hit place order and finish the checkout process. Now go to the shop's admin area to check orders. As you can see, my previous order is saved and processed as it has to be. Finally, I want to show you some more feature. All product change shows in the application because of the dedicated plugin. Now I will create a new product copying from a previous one, and after that I will show you the new product will show up in the application. I will create a new product copying from a previous one. Now if I go back to the application, I will see my newly created item. Category management is working the same way as product management. If you create a new category or edit an existing one, the change will be shown in the application real time. Now I go back to the application and the categories order is changed. To add the new featured product for the webshop to be displayed in the application, simply mark any product on the admin area as a featured product and then refresh the application's shop area. Favorite products feature can be found in the application only because WooCommerce is lack of this feature. Nowadays mobile analytics is a must-have feature. It is giving you the ability to examine which categories and items are browsed and shopped the most and which ones are barely visited by your users. We are providing live analytic information about your mobile customers using Google Analytics service. WooCommerce supports Google Analytics from the beginning, so if you are familiar with Google Analytics, you will find all the same data, just it will be about your application. Once you head into mobile analytic, all mobile related information can be found, like how many people are using your application in a given screen resolution, operation system, geographic and demographic data, manufacturer ratio, and time and date usage as well. If you are interested in our application or you have any question, feel free to contact us.